Welcome to Electro-Engineering. Electrotreat, a business unit of electroengineering, has been a pioneer and industry leader in customizing plastic surface treatment solutions around the world since 1960. With over 65,000 square feet of manufacturing power and a full solar array consistent with electroengineering's culture of sustainability, each Electrotreat unit is client customized and specifically designed for the treatment of three-dimensional plastic objects. And as the only company in the world to produce and manufacture Electrotreat equipment, our systems utilize a patented high-voltage cool plasma open-air technology that quickly provides a 360-degree product treatment solution. For more than 6 decades, with literally thousands of Electrotreat units operating worldwide, we understand that keeping your systems up and running is our #1 priority. As a leader in plastic surface adhesion, we serve numerous industries that continue to put their trust in us as the most experienced, most cost-effective adhesion surface treatment solution today. At Electrotreat, we build the equipment internally under one roof. We know the equipment 100% inside and out. We service the equipment globally, with most parts shipped same day. And as a fully integrated company with multiple service teams and a huge inventory of new and spare parts, we understand that efficiencies, dedicated customer service, and speed are critical to success. Electrotreat surface treatment technology promotes adhesion and eliminates the use of solvents, incorporates no heat, uses no VOCs, creates no warpage or shrinkage to customer parts, while offering a safer, more cost-effective alternative to common plastic surface treating. Quality, consistency, reliability, and repeatable results are at the heart of what we do, because uptime is the bottom line. Electrotreat, customized plastic surface treatment solutions.